Hello, kids! Let's learn some colors today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first color is red. Can you say red? Now let's spell it together. R E D. Red. Great job! Let's say it one more time. R E D. Red. Next, we have blue. Can you say blue? Now let's spell it. B L U E. Blue. Wow, you're doing amazing. One more time. B L U E. Blue. Here's the color yellow. Say it with me, yellow. Now let's spell it slowly. Y E L L O W. Yellow. Fantastic! Let's try one more time. Y E L L O W. Yellow. Look, it's green. Say green. Now spell it with me. G R E E N. Green. Good job. One more time. G R E E N. Green. And finally, we have purple. Say purple. Let's spell it together. P U R P L E. Purple. Amazing work. One more time. P U R P L E. Purple. Wow, you learned so many colors and their spellings today. Let's say them all together. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple. Great job, little superstars. See you next time. Bye-bye.